So now the next topic is here, how to handle the alerts here. The next question. So how to handle different types of alerts here. So we need to handle the different types of alerts. We need to see what are the different types of alerts which we have available inside the alerts concept. What are the different types of alerts we have? So this is the first one is a basically simple alert, which is displaying one message as well as one button will be there. That will be OK button. So if you want to access this simple alert, you have to click on this OK button. To click on the OK button, what is the method we are calling here? Alert dot accept method we are calling here. So first we'll create an alert class object here. Then we'll call that method here. So how we will handle the alerts here? So if you want to click on the OK button, you have to call alert dot accept. If you want to click on the cancel button, you will call alert dot dismiss method.
Dismiss.
Okay, that is how you will handle the alerts here. So we have basically three types of alert. One is simple alert, second one is prompt alert, third one is confirmation alert. So what are the major differences here means a simple alert is having only one message and one button. So this is the message, they want to pass the message to you, and this is the alert button. So one message and one button will be there. Coming to your prompt alert, one message will be there and you have to enter one input text. Then afterwards you will have two buttons, OK button and cancel button. That is nothing but your prompt alert, you can say. And confirmation alert is they will ask some question whether you want to select this one or that one, whether you want to go for this one or that one. Like that, one question will be there and the answer will be OK and cancel will be there. So this is how these are the three types of alerts we have here. If you want to click on any of the alerts, any of the alert window, if you want to click on the OK button, you go for the alert dot accept button, accept method. And if you want to click on cancel button, you can go for the alert dot dismiss method you can call. Okay. So that is how you are handling the alerts here. So we'll see the real time coding how we will do it. Those things we'll see. Okay, generally how we will handle these things. So we will create. So we will write driver dot switch to alert dot dismiss. If you write dismiss means you are trying to click on the cancel button. If you write alert dot accept means you are trying to accept. You are trying to click on the OK button. So if you want to get text, if you want this alert message, if I wanted, whatever the message the alert is displaying, I wanted this message means, then I can go for driver dot switch to alert dot get text method. So I will write down all the methods here, one by one I will write down here. So to click on your OK button, what is the code you are writing here? Driver dot
Switch to dot.
Driver dot switch to driver dot switch to alert you are writing. So that you are switching to that particular alert. If you want to click on OK button, you are writing the accept method. So this is to click on your OK button. So OK button is there. To click on the OK button, you are writing this. This is to click on OK button. So if you want to click on, if you want to click on cancel button, you can copy the same code. Simply you can write down driver dot alert, driver dot switch to alert dot dismiss you can write down. So this is the thing. So to click on your cancel button, simply you can say cancel button. So only two options it will display. Alert. So simple alert is having only one message and one button will be there. If you want to click on this button, you can go for the alert dot accept. If you want to click on cancel button, the cancel button if you want to click on, then you can go for the dismiss method. So if I wanted this text, I wanted whatever the simple alert, there is a text is there, right? I want this text. So how can I get the text? Yeah, if I wanted to the text means Simply you can copy paste the code. Driver dot switch to dot alert to dot get text you can call. Simply you can copy paste this code. Remove this dismiss method. Instead of this, you can write down the get text. So this text will this print here. So it will return one string here. So you can store like this. String some message. Message. You can store like this. So get text method. So that this will be printed. This will be captured. This text will be captured, and this will be printed on the screen. If you print the MSG on the console, the message will be printed on the screen. Okay, what is that message is displayed? To get the alert message, to get the alert text, alert related text message if you want, alert text if you want, you can go for this method. So next, what is the other method? I wanted to enter some data to this one. So how can I enter in the prompt alert? You need to give some input value also. How can you give an input value in the prompt alert? By using one more method here. So you can take this, you can copy this method. Just simply remove from the instead of text get text, you can write send keys method.
Send keys.
So by using the send keys method, you can send some data to the alert here. So I wanted to send some data. So suppose input value I want to send it here. So whatever the input value you want to send, so something like the shopping I wanted to send. Okay, shopping. Something any text you can want to send. So I wanted to send some data to this prompt alert. So at that point of time, I can go for the method called, what is the method? Driver dot switch to alert dot send keys method. In the send keys, you can send whatever the text you want to send to that alert, you can send it. Okay. So this is how you are sending the data to the alert box. To send some data to the, this is to send it. Send some data to the alert box. Send some data to the alert box. You want to send something data to the alert box. So in which case the alert box is ready to take the data. Whenever you will get a prompt alert, at that point of time only you can send the data. If there is no send text box is there, if you are trying to use this method, you will get an error because there is no text box is present to whom you are trying to send the data. Okay. So for the prompt alert, you can send the data.
Without using alert object, we cannot. Hari, one doubt is there.
Yeah.
Actually, without using alert object, can we? Can we handle the alert?
Yes, without using alert, you can handle that. Yeah. So this is nothing but your alert.
So how can?
Yeah. I will show this. So this is till this is nothing but your alert object only, right? So how we will create an alert object here generally?
Yeah.
Alert. Yeah.
Alert class. Alert.
Some alert equal to something like you will write, right? Simply you will write.
New.
So till this
Yes.
it's alert only, right? So now you will write alert dot alert class object dot. You can write accept or dismiss. You will write like this. This is the code you will whenever you are writing in the real time. You will write like this. Right?
Alert is equal to new alert.
No. You don't create an object
No,
like
no. Here we have. Okay.
alert equal to new of alert.
We don't have to. Okay.
Okay. So this will return the alert object only. Driver dot switch to dot alert will return in alert object only.
Okay. That I don't know. So okay, fine. I'll.
Yeah. So whenever you are creating an action class object, action equal to new of action, you will write. Okay. So that is different. Action class.
Yeah.
Okay, we are discussing about alerts now.
Okay. Understood.
So now we have done with this alerts, right?
Yes.
So if you want to click on OK button, you can go for the accept method. Cancel button, go for the dismiss method. And if you want to send some data to send keys, then you can go for the send keys method. If you want to get the alert message, if you want this alert message, if you want to display on the console, then if you want to extract this alert message, then you can go for the extract method. Sorry, get text method. So this is to get the alert to text. The alert box, whatever the text is covered, that we can capture that text. So this is what about the your alert related. So hope you understand it.
Okay, okay, understood.